In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows cannot find Riot Client Services when you're trying to play Valorant. Now, the first thing that we can do is simply we want to uninstall Valorant. So head into Apps and Features, find Valorant, click Uninstall. And after you've done that, what you want to do is find Riot. So look for R, Riot Client, and uninstall this as well. Now, you need to uninstall the Valorant first before you can uninstall Riot Client. So make sure you do that. Now, if that still doesn't work, another thing you can try is head over to an internet browser. So let me just quickly do that. Now, once you're on a new browser, what you want to do is search for Valorant download. Click on the first one right here. Choose whatever language you want and then play now and download the Valorant. Now, when you get the Valorant installer up here, you just want to run it. And since you already have the Valorant on your PC, it's not going to re-download, it's just going to repair. Now, check if that works. It hopefully should. If it still doesn't work, you can try and open up your Riot client if it's possible. Now, if it is possible, you want to open it and come here and go to Settings, find Valorant and click Repair. Now, I really hope any of these three helped you. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.